Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade at Home. I'm Danielle. Here we are in my kitchen again. So I consider myself more of a minimalist. I have no problem donating things or giving them to a friend if something isn't bringing me joy. But there is one thing I cannot resist, and that is a cute jar. Got a whole collection of them. Something about a cute shape or a jam jar, I don't know. I can't throw them away and I can't get rid of them. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to upcycle your glass jars. Let's get started. I'm obsessed with these yogurt jars. They have to be the cutest jars ever. I'm going to show you how to add a little twine accent and turn them into a butt face. All you're going to need is twine and hot glue. And you really don't have to add glue throughout the whole jar. Just a few dots along the way works great. Just remember, hot glue dries quickly. Now all you need to do is add a little water to your vase and plop in the flowers. I love having little arrangements around my home, especially right now, for a little extra dose of happy. Right now, the highlight of my day is eating dinner on the back porch with my husband. I thought it might make things a little more festive if I made glass jar lanterns. I'm going to show you how to take basic glass jars and turn them into a decorative piece for your table, or really anywhere in your home. Alright, this lantern is going to be super easy. There's really only 2 steps. For the first step, all you'll need is some round stickers. I'm using kind of like what you'd use for yard sale tags. If you don't have this, any round sticker will do. You could even cut painter's tape into a circle. Really, you can make any shape you want. All right, time for spray paint. Now that the jar is finished, all you need is a little glow. I'm going to use fairy lights, but you could also use an LED tea light. I'm going to make a few more of these, and I think at night it's really going to shine. I'm going to show you how to make a margarita for one in a jam jar. The cool thing about using a jar to make a cocktail is that if you don't have a cocktail shaker at home, you just close this lid, shake it up, and it works great. Well, let's make this margarita. It's almost 5 o'clock. We're going to start with a 1 ounce tequila, 1/2 ounce triple sec, 2 ounces fresh squeezed orange juice, 1/2 fresh squeezed lemon. Add a little ice and shake it up. Top with a little soda water. I like mine to be nice and fizzy. Normally you would salt a rim before you start making your cocktail, but because I was going to shake it up with the lid on, I couldn't do that. So I came up with a little way that you can salt your rim after you've made your margarita. We're going to reuse our lid, pour salt into it. Now squeeze a little lime onto the rim, and you're also going to use the lime to press on the salt to the top. Now all that's left is to use our lime as a garnish, and you're ready to enjoy. This is the freshest, tastiest margarita for one. Enjoy! Cheers! I'm so happy I was able to find a few ways to put some of my glass jars to good use. I want to know, what's the one thing that you just can't get rid of? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay home, stay crafty. We'll see you later.